Good morning, friends. This is Jimmy Singh, broker, owner of Supermax Realty, 519-933-2559. People often ask me how's the market. So in this small video, I'm going to discuss a mid-market analysis for London St. Thomas as of July 2020. And then I'll also discuss, how our market fared in June of 2020. So as of mid of this month, what happened is, our province already is in stage 2 of reopening. And after pandemic induced delay, typically spring market is the fastest market. But all that things, got postponed till summer market. And what I have seen in June, first week started a little slow, but by the end of June, everything was, flying off the shelves. And it's increasing of consumer confidence, and people are now confident about their health, and they're moving about, they're buying houses, and 62% houses last month were sold full asking or over asking price as well. So as of July 14th 2020, I did some research in the morning, and in London 301 homes were sold. And out of 301 homes, 215 are detached homes, 44 were townhouses, 14 were semi-detached, and 28 homes were apartments. And if I break it down, the market into starting home, mid-tier or high-end or luxury. So let's say, starting home is between less than 450,000 homes. Out of 301, 154 homes that were sold, they are from starting price points, which is less than 450. And if I go mid-tier market, which is between 450 to 650, we have 91 sales as of mid-July. And if I see high-end homes, or what we call luxury homes in London, 650 plus up to million or over million, 55%, 55 homes were 650 plus. So as you can see, if you crunch the numbers, like roughly 80% sales which are happening in last 15 days, they're all the homes less than 650, or 50% were less than 450. And supply is still very, very tight. And if you if you're not sure what's happening in your local market, let's say you live in Hyde Park, you live in Byron, you live in Andover Trails, Westmount, Sunnydale, all it's very small micro markets in London. So what's happening in Hyde Park might not be reflected what's happening in let's say Victoria on the River or Cedar Hollow. So if you want all these details, you're most welcome to reach me directly at 519-933-2559 for a free market evaluation. And if we talk about June, that is the last month, that is the record. If we talk about London St. Thomas Real Estate Board, they said they've been tracking data since 1978. And this June was the best, since they start tracking, since 1978. And total homes sold were 1,188 homes, which are roughly 13.8% higher as compared to last, year. And if we say the prices, since last year, the prices have risen 19.3%. And the average sale price in London right now is hovering around 486,372. And if we say St. Thomas, the average price is close to right now $382,862, which is 8.5% higher as compared to June of 2019. And if we break down London, London East have a growth of 16.5%. And the average price in East London right now is 378,880. And if we talk about North London, average price right now is 563,950, and the growth is 15.6%. And the South London prices have jumped 24.1% as compared to last year. And right now the average price in South is 500,450. The London St. Thomas Board, they don't count London West as a separate, sub market. They just take, West and add it to South London and some portion into North London, right? And if we talk about Strathroy, the prices are up 14.7%, and the average price in Strathroy is $425,277. And As an agent, what I do is when clients call me, Jimmy, is it a good time to buy and sell? I always look at supply and demand. So by end of June, our supply was only 1.3% of the inventory. So basically, if we put all the houses up in the market, within 1.3 months, they'll be all sold out and we don't have any houses to sell. And that, supply is lowest for the last 10 years. And the other important parameter, or the ratio I look for, is selling to listing ratios. And selling to listing ratio basically is close to 78.5%, which shows we are in a very hot seller's market. I feel sorry for the buyers, but chances are if you're in a starting market, let's say 450, you will be going in multiple offers left and right. And obviously if you're in a mid-tier market between 450 to 650, I still see a lot of action because listings are real tight. So guys, if you're looking to sell your property and you want aggressive marketing plans, to attract out of town buyers, call us. We've been helping our clients for last 15 years promote their properties to GTA buyers, out of town buyers, and we have a big database for that, right? So call me. My number is 519-933-2559. Or if you have a single family home and you're looking for good tenants, give us a call. If you have a townhouse, you have a detached house, and you want qualified tenants in your property, reach me at 519-933-2559. Or you can have a free evaluation just by visiting my website, www.supermaxrealty.ca. And as far as the Bank of Canada overnight rate, it's still quarter points, like 0.25, right? So interest is really cheap. And if we talk about prime, right now prime is hovering around 2.45 still. And what I found in June, there's like lots of rush with the buyers because they want to beat the deadline for CMHC changes, which are coming to effect 1st of June. And that brought a lot of buyers who are sitting on the sideline. They said, you know what, by waiting, I'm just paying more, like 30,000-40,000. Let's jump into it. It's still cheaper than renting. So if you have a solid job, you will do very well. And second thing is, my only concern is a little bit by the time September comes, when the free money dries, let's say, all the, government right now is giving check for people who lost their jobs, or, there's like roughly 14% people who deferred their mortgage payments. Not sure how the market is going to pan out. So September is probably a month to watch out. But again, I'm very bullish. I think, we still have a lot of catching up to do in following weeks or months, and we will do fine. So, if you have any questions, call me. My name is Jimmy, 519-933-2559, and have a blessed day. Thank you very much.